What's good, Tech family? Urban Tech Reviews, and I happened to be scrolling last night, and last night I seen that PlayStation just dropped the new Midnight Black collection. All right, so I really wanted to ask you guys and gals, is it worth your bread? Let's talk about it. All right. So if you don't know what the Midnight Collection is, the Midnight Black Collection is the PlayStation Portal, it's the PlayStation Pulse Elite, the PlayStation Pulse Explorer, and the PlayStation DualSense controller, all in Midnight Black. All right, they did Midnight Black all of them, all them things. All right, so I got excited. I ain't gonna lie, I got excited, and then I was like, yo. Dio, check, sit back. Do you really need these? Do you really need these? And I'm still on the fence. So let's check out the collection. Let's do a little shopping and check them out. All right. So the Midnight Black collection, they got a little commercial or something like that. They got a commercial right here. You check out the commercial if you want to. And then they got the PlayStation Portal for $200, same price. Same thing as the white one, the OG, $200, same price. Then they got the DualSense Edge controller, same thing as the last one, same thing as the OG, $199, $200, 200 bills. Then we got the PlayStation Pulse Explorer earbuds, trash, and $200. And then coming in last, they got the PlayStation Pulse Elite wireless headphones. I rock with these for $150. All right, so the big dilemma is that none of these accessories do anything that the OGs don't do. They the exact same technology, the exact same firmware, the exact same handles, the exact same everything. The only thing different is the aesthetics. So if you're an aesthetic person, then these might be something that you might want to get, right? You feel me? Now I sold my PlayStation Portal just because I wasn't rocking with it at the time, and then I felt like PlayStation waited for me to sell my PlayStation Portal so then they could drop that update to where now you don't need your PS5 to even play the games on your Portal. I think they specifically waited for me to sell it so then they could hit me with that. So now I'm on the fence. I think I might buy another PlayStation Portal in the Midnight Black, of course. In the Midnight Black. What my man Wesley say?
Charlie, you ever play roulette?
On occasion.
Well, let me give you a word of advice.
Always bet on black.
You feel me? But I think I'm definitely gonna get that again in the Midnight Black just because I'm rocking with it the way I'm rocking with it. I like that Midnight Black color, and now that you could play it as a standalone device, as a true Portal device, because you don't need to connect it with your PS5 through a remote player, none of that no more. It's definitely on the list. I think I might grab that. All right, but the PlayStation DualSense Edge controller, I love this. I rock it when I play Call of Duty and stuff like that. Right now, I rock the OG. Then they do have that 30-year edition that is looking pretty nice right now itself. That 30-year edition looking quite funky. I'm feeling it. I ain't gonna lie. But that black black do something to you now. You know black don't crack. That black do something to you, and it's looking really good. So the only thing is like the black right here, the blue on the light bar, like I feel like you don't see that on the gray, the 30-year edition. So I don't know if it's just not turned on, they don't give you the same aesthetics with that, or if it's just what, I don't know. But the blue on the black controller isn't really, I mean, it's not bad, but it's just not eye pleasing to me, I would say, but you get that all black look, then black paddles, black triggers, black grips, black case. Oh Lord, that black case though is fire. That black case is fire though, for real. The all black accessories, man, you can't beat that. That look mean. For real though. But then you got to go to the 30-year edition, and they got that gray case, and that gray case is booming like business is. You know what I mean? So I'm really feeling that one too. But all in all, I might just cop the black one just because I'm definitely gonna get this controller. I just like the black accessories. I might change the color on my PlayStation and get an all black PlayStation face plates and everything, just to black out everything. You know how we do. But you know, I'm really feeling the all black, so I'm rocking with the all black. So hold on, where we at? So then we got the PlayStation Pulse Elites, and I rock with these. These are the Air headphones that I use when I'm gaming now. You know, so I'm really rocking these. I'm really feeling these. I like the black. They got the black hanger to come with it. All the black accessories, man. This just look mean. So I'm really feeling that. Even though, I mean, it's all the same. It's just really just aesthetics. It's just what you see. You know, the headband ain't changed. The ear cups ain't no better. The microphone didn't get no better. Nothing. Like, it's all the same. It's just really the look of it. You know what I mean? That's all it is. But I like it that much that I'm willing to maybe shell out another $150 for that. You know what I mean? Then we go to the Portal. And I already talked about the Portal a little bit, how I got rid of mine, but I definitely feel they got a 30-year edition Portal. Oh, that's mean too. Oh, that gray on there is nice. Oh yeah, I like the gray on there, but that black though, that black just do something to you. That black do something to you. I like, even though again I don't like the black accents that come with the light bars. I don't really like that. For some reason, that black and blue, even though that's PlayStation's colorway, that black and blue just ain't really. You know what I mean? It ain't doing it for me. But that gray. A 30-year gray, again, you don't see the blue. So maybe with the gray, maybe you just don't see the blue, or maybe they just didn't put the blue in, and you know the whatever. But I think I like the gray a little bit better with this, just because of the light bar blue that I'm not feeling for some reason, whatever. But still dope, either one. I'm definitely gonna get a new Portal. I ain't gonna lie to you. I ain't gonna hold you. I'm gonna get a new Portal. Let's check out these PlayStation Pulse Explorers. Now, the original Pulse Explorers, the white ones that I have, I thought they was trash. I didn't like them. They didn't fit in my ear. I might have smaller ear canals, something like that, but I really wasn't rocking with them. So much so that I gave them to my son. You know what I mean? On my oldest son, I gave them to him because I just wasn't feeling them. Like, I didn't like the way they felt. They always fell out of my ear. I just didn't like the feel of them altogether. Like, the sound wasn't bad, but the buttons on there, I just didn't like them. I wasn't rocking them, so I gave them to my son. But I probably, these of all the Midnight Black accessories that they just dropped, these are definitely the ones I won't get. I'll get the other three, but I or whatever else, but I'm not gonna rock these. I'm not gonna get these again because I'm not gonna pay PlayStation another $200 for some earbuds that I don't like. I'm probably just gonna give away to one of my other kids anyway. So not rocking that, not feeling that at all. But like I said, the purpose of this video was really to see if y'all rocking with this new colorway, if y'all like the new Midnight Black edition, the new Midnight Black accessories that PlayStation put out, if y'all rocking with these, would you be willing to drop another bag on these accessories if you already got them? If you don't got them, you in the game, because you just grab, just grab them, and just like, you already got it. You ain't got to worry about it. But you know what I mean? Getting another DualSense Edge controller, $200. So now I would have two DualSense Edge controllers, essentially paying $400 for two controllers. But these are the Midnight Black, and I mean, it's chef's kiss. You know what I mean? It's just a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing. I really like the Midnight Black edition. So to the point that I probably get all three other accessories, the Portal, the Elites, and the Edge controller. I'll probably end up grabbing all 3 of those again just because I like them so much, man. But like I said, leave me in the comment section if you would spend your money on getting these same accessories if you had them already. Also, if you want to watch a review me review the Pulse Explorers, I'll put a card in there. You want to watch me review the PlayStation Portal, I'll put a card in there. You want to watch me review the PlayStation Elites, I'll put a card in there. And if you want to watch me review the DualSense Edge controller, I'll put a card in there. You know what I mean? So you can watch my review on all 4 of those products just in case you ain't got either one or any of them and you thinking about buying them. Then hopefully my review can help you make that decision a little bit easier. But I'm definitely rocking with these. I like it, even though PlayStation is just beating us in the head, you know what I mean? With just a new color, even though it's the same thing, the exact same thing. It's just a new color, but it ain't no different. You know, these companies just be doing us dirty like that. But, you know, us as the consumer, you know, we make that decision to buy these tech products if, you know, as we want to. So if you're rocking with it and you gonna grab one, leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know if you're feeling them. Let me know if you like, nah, deal, I ain't feeling them. Urban, I ain't feeling them. You know what I mean? Let me know what you think about these and if they worth your bread. But it's Urban Tech Reviews, man. If you like this video or you feel like you learned something from this video or you were entertained or you not entertained, if you feel like that, then let me know in the comment section by leave me a comment and leave me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit my icon in the lower right hand corner of the screen and make sure you hit that bell notification so you can be notified any and every time I upload new content to my channel. And also, man, if y'all not following me on all social media sites, all of my links is in the description. So till the next time, Tech Family, we out.